Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about psychophysics. Psychophysics quantitatively investigates the relationship between physical stimuli and the sensations and perceptions they produce. Psychophysics has been described as the scientific study of the relation between stimulus and sensation, or more completely, as the analysis of perceptual processes by studying the effect on a subject's experience or behavior of systematically varying the properties of a stimulus along one or more physical dimensions. Coming to the Weber-Fechner law. Weber's law, also called Weber-Fechner law, historically important psychological law quantifying the perception of change in a given stimulus. The law states that the change in a stimulus that will be just noticeable is a constant ratio of the original stimulus. It has been shown not to hold for extremes of stimulation. The law was originally postulated to describe researches on weightlifting by the German physiologist Ernst Heinrich Weber in 1834. And was later applied to the measurement of sensation by Weber's student Gustav Theodor Fechner, who went on to develop from the law the science of psychophysics. Now, coming to the topic, Stevens' power law. The theory is named after psychophysicist Stanley Smith Stevens, 1906 to 1973. Although the idea of a power law had been suggested by 19th century researcher, Stevens is credited with reviving the law and publishing a body of psychophysical data to support it in 1957. It is an empirical relationship in psychophysics between an increased intensity or strength in a physical stimulus and the perceived magnitude increase in the sensation created by the stimulus. It is often considered to supersede the Weber-Fechner law based on a logarithmic relationship between stimulus and sensation, because the power law describes a wider range of sensory comparisons. Thank you.